Hi, I am welcoming you to this video. In this video, I am going to show you how to develop a CPD plan. CPD stands for Continuing Professional Development. Here, I am going to show you a CPD plan, and this CPD plan is intended for the teachers. For this CPD plan, we have considered some aspects such as areas of development, smart goals, strategies, resources, success criteria, and timelines. These are the aspects that we have considered for a CPD plan. So, first of all, let us come to areas of development. There can be several areas in which uh, we may need to develop. One can be research. We may need to develop in technology. We may need to develop in uh, introducing active learning strategies. So there can be several areas like that in this CPD plan. For this CPD plan, I have chosen research. So area of development is research, and my goal actually it is a SMART goal. We know what SMART stand for: S for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for relevant, and time for T for time bound. So a SMART goal, just look at the goal. This is my goal. My goal. My goal is publish two journal articles in the next 6 months. So look at here. It is specific. It is a specific because I am going to publish two journal articles in 6 months. So it is a specific and also measurable. I am going to just publish two journal articles. So it is measurable and also time bound because time is there, 6 months. Time is there, so 6 months. And also it is relevant. I am a teacher, so I have actually chosen a target. I have set a target which is related to teaching and learning. It is research, so it actually one is goal actually you know meet all criteria of SMART. Now let us go to strategies. Which strategies I should take. So here I have set some strategies to reach my goal. One is that is to publish two journal articles. So to publish journal articles, I have taken some strategies. Number one is literature review. Number two is research methodology, and number two is collect and analyze data. So these are the strategies I have taken to publish two journal articles in 6 months. So I need some resources. I need some resources uh, to publish two journal articles. One is research materials, and the other is data analysis tool. And also I need some advisors who will guide us, who will guide me, who will actually assist me to publish two journal articles. So now let me set some success criteria. So my success criteria is publish two journal articles. If I can publish two journal articles, this can be called my success in the professional development. So there should be a time. Okay, CPD should not go for a long time, for an indefinite time. Yeah, there should be a timeline. So timeline is from 1st June 2024 to 30th November. So there is a timeline I have set. Actually within this timeline, I will publish two journal articles. So this is a CPD plan. Actually, you also can follow this example to develop your own CPD plan. Thank you very much.